Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create CAD animation reel in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm just going to make it simple guys. I'm going to use a template to create CAD animation reel. So here I'm going to go to the templates menu and we can go to the search bar, and since we want to create CAD animation reel, we can type in CAD animation reel as the keyword for the template like this, and I'm going to search for suitable template for the CAD animation reel. Okay, here you just need to choose the template that you want to use to create CAD animation reel, and let's try this one. I'm going to watch it first. Wait. Okay, it looks good. And let me try this one as well. Okay, you just need to choose the template that you like, and I prefer this one. I'm going to choose the fashion cut, and we can click on use template, and we're going to replace the items in the template with our own items. And wait, I'm going to choose photos from my gallery. Wait guys, I'm still looking for my photos. Wait, it's here. Okay, and as you can see, we need to select 19 items, and I'm just going to pick random photos from my gallery. Okay, that's enough, and we're going to click on next, and the items in the template will be replaced with our own items. Okay, and this is the final result. And once you're satisfied with the result, you can click on export, and I recommend you to choose export without watermark to remove the CapCut watermark from the template. As you can see that we will get the watermark here. Well, let me show you. Okay, and don't forget to export it without watermark. Okay, after the video has been exported, you will be able to share the video to your Instagram reels. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create CAD animation reel in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.